Namaste. In this presentation, I am going to discuss the major types of sensors used in production engineering. My name is Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. The very first question arises in our mind. So what is the role of sensors, especially in machines and plants? So you will see the major role in industries are that we can detect an object, what is the shape of the objects, position of an object, speed of the shaft, detecting contact, contrast and marker, invisible to naked eye, and measuring forces and torques and weights. And these tasks we can classify according to the different industries and different types of technologies. So if you see in the conveyor technologies, so what we will find that countless contactless sensors control complex processes. In the assembly line, the mobile data memories accompanies products through the assembly stages. In industrial production, machine vision systems also plays important role, and it checks the product and find its suitability, or it should be allowed or it should be rejected, right, for packaging or not. In transport, logistic and traffic control systems, like sensors are used to identify the automobiles, right, and even at a great distance, right, as well as the containers, it can detect the containers or automobiles, it can monitor main assembly lines, right. So these overview presents the sensor technology solutions, especially for the Siemens automations, driver and groups. Broadly, you will see these are the sensor systems Siemens had produced, and their corresponding hardwares are available like this. So baro proximity switches, weighing systems, MOBI identification systems, SIMO drive sensors, and SIMOTIC machine visions. Hardwares correspondingly you will find like this. So first one we can consider as the baro proximity switches. Exactly, the baro proximity switches are the automation sensors, whether solid, liquid or powders are involved, or whether we are considering is for recording, counting, measuring, monitoring, or even positioning also. So these types of different versions are available in proximity switches. First one is opto baro. It is basically photoelectric proximity switches which can record objects at a distance up to 50 meters using visible or invisible lights. In sonar baro, it operates in ultrasonics and can record many different materials, even transparent one, independent of the brightness, and the distance extends up to 3 centimeters up to approximately 10 meters. And inductive baro, it records basically metallic objects even under harsh environment. Next is capacitive baro, records conductive, non-conductive materials like powders, solids and liquids, right. Next one is your IQ sensors, intelligent communications for direct connections. So next type is Siemens weighing systems. In area of automations and process technology that involves measurement of forces of weight, state-of-the-art weighing systems that are used to monitor and control a wide variety of production processes. Their use extend from simple applications such as monitoring of the belt tensions or fitting level measurements of the constraints or bin to complex proportioning tasks such as mixtures based on specific recipes. So weighing systems are particularly suitable for measuring tasks requiring high accuracy and for applications for which other measuring techniques are unsuitable. These weighing systems are to be found in production of food and animal feeds in the chemical and pharmaceutical industries and in general mechanical engineering. Other type of sensor system is MOBI identification systems. So identification systems must be adequate for many and often very individual requirements. One person might want economical smart label for logistics, another rugged data storage for assembly lines. In the automotive industry, these mobile data memories must above all be heat resistance. And in traffic control, the traffic logistics long-range data memories are indispensable component. MOBI, the clever electronic identification systems from the Siemens, are the what I think appropriate solutions. They provide reliable, fast, economical identifications are impervious to dirt and air pollutant and store data right on the products. CMO drive sensors, another type. CMO drive sensors are built on optoelectronic encoders for recording of path, angles, or rotary speeds of machines. They can be used in conjunction with numerical controllers, programmable logical controllers, drivers, and positions display, as for example motion control system, numeric, CNC control, C-matic, programmatic logic controls, CMO drives, drive systems. Other types of sensor system is semantic machine visions, very important. The semantic machine visions image processing sensors systems are designed for automatic visual inspections and identifications of parts in production processes. Used in quality assurance, used for automatic identifications of parts in production processes. Several applications are there. The optical inspections and identifications of products in production processes is becoming an increasingly important topic as the demands for quality and production speed increase. Arguments supporting their use are clear: fewer rejections and delivery of tested products. So in this category, the monotonous visual inspections or identifications of by person is expensive normally. At the same time, concentration and mood are subject to natural variations. Furthermore, increasing cycle rate makes checking by personnel increasingly difficult. So the use of an image processing system is applicable here. So the automatic visual inspections during quality assurance, the system checks objectively, rapidly, and reliably the dimensions and contours, shapes, presence, correct assembly, positions, completeness of the parts, which can be even microscopically small. Automatic identifications of parts using shapes, dimension, patterns, color, codes, and characters. So broadly, if you will see, the types of products available are semantic 110, the intelligent vision sensors for visual form inspections of the shape of small parts. Semantic 120 for object locating using incident light procedures. In 130 for automatic locating and reading of data matrix codes. Further, the SIMATIC 710 provision the compact multi-purpose image processing systems for automations inspections, product monitoring, and part identifications. And other versions are the SIMATIC 720 and the general purpose 720 systems for increasing speed and resolutions with additional color detection and Ethernet connections. That is the extra features available. In this presentation, mainly we covered the text material given by Siemens in 2003, and we discussed the major sensor technologies. Right. So I really acknowledge the Siemens for providing such a beautiful details regarding sensors and production engineering. And I'm very thankful to all the viewers for listening patiently and understanding the types of sensors available in the area of production engineering. Thanks a lot, and I welcome you